Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. As you may be able to tell, it is a very bright and sunny day today, so I just got ready. I'm just wearing this hat and this black sweater and white jeans with my Air Force Ones to explore Notting Hill today. I am so excited. This is an area of the city that I have not seen yet, and I just wanted to walk around the area, see Portobello Road Market, and do that whole thing. So I'm really excited. I am just packing up my tote bag with my AirPods, some gum, my phone, my wallet, and maybe I'll bring like a book for the subway. So that is the fit of the day. Let's go to Notting Hill. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Wow, this looks amazing. We got some bao buns. It's Yulian's first time trying bao buns. Okay, you want to try prawns? So the first one we got is honey chicken. That's super good too, right? Now we got some tempura shrimp.
Very good.
It's good. Now this one is the 8-hour braised beef.
Good.
They all have such different flavors, like sweet, spicy, savory. We are in Notting Hill. The houses here are so beautiful. I hope you can hear me, but it is literally so cute, and the food is really, really good at the food market, so we might head back and get a couple more things while we're there. I feel like I'm in the movie Notting Hill. It's so cute. I did not expect to like this neighborhood so much, but it just feels very residential and like well-maintained. I feel like it's probably really expensive to live here, but I really like it. We're back. This time with some pork dumplings. They look good. Mmm. Mmm. Really good. Good evening, everyone. I am back home now. I just changed into my PJ shorts and I'm wearing the same sweater from earlier. And it is now sunset. It's so beautiful in the apartment when the sun is setting. Like, it's so bright, but I love it. And I have 10 minutes to spare until my German class starts for today. Today I have a class on dative and accusative cases, so a review of those cases, which is a grammar class. So yes, gonna set up my computer, got my supplies, and I'm gonna have my class, drink some water, and yeah, it's been a good day. My boyfriend's coming back in a little bit. He has an event right now, and then afterwards I think we're gonna cook dinner. Class is starting.
Vielleicht. Katie, kannst du das kurz vorlesen?
Ja. Wohin hast du mein Geld gelegt? Das Geld liegt auf dem Tisch.
Genau, super. Und wenn es einen Artikel gibt, dann müssen wir die Präposition in benutzen. Das ist unser Nominativ. Und wenn dann hier jetzt steht, das Flugzeug fliegt, dann bräuchte ich die Präposition in und das letzte, Katie.
Er steht im Garten, das ist Dativ.
Genau, steht. Das bedeutet keine Bewegung in dem Garten, im Garten.
Yay, another dinner complete. The fresh pasta is so good.